Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to convert full name or text into separate column, or how to split your text into separate columns. It's very easy. Okay, I have created two columns over here in Microsoft Excel. I have created these two columns over here. Okay, I want to convert this full name text into, I want to split this full name into two columns. So it's very easy. So first of all, you need to select this column just like that, Tail Abdul Rahman. I've selected my all data, and then click on this tab, data tab. Just click here, and then in the data tools, just click here, convert two columns, text to column. Split a single column of text into multiple columns. For example, you can separate a column of full names into separate first and the last name column. You can choose how to split it up, fixed, width, or split at each comma, period, or character. Now just simply click here, and it will ask that delimited or fixed. So in delimited, you can use commas or tabs or separated for each field. Just select here, click on next. Now I have selected here space, because I have given spaces between the first name and the last name. So you can use what, space or tab. I have selected these two. Now click on next, and then click on finish. Now there's already data here. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Okay, done. Now just write over here, here's your first name, and then here is your last name, and you can say that it's the middle name, or this one is the last name. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.